Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a subtle money piece on my client here. She doesn't want nothing too thick. We honestly want it to look as natural as possible. So I thought I would do a video like this to share with you guys. That way, if you guys are looking into doing something like a subtle money piece and nothing too thick, then this is the video for you. So as you guys can see, she's got some previous color on her mid-shaft to ends that was lightened. And then she's got her natural new growth coming out, which is about a level 4. Now let's go ahead and get started with this. So I'm going to be sectioning her off just like this. And then I will talk about on how I'm going to be weaving her and also slicing her. So I'm sectioning off around her ears and just like that frame of her face, and also a little bit on the back. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because whenever she pulls her hair forward, we want her to still be able to see some lightness underneath. That way it's not just this thick piece up in the front of her hair. We want it to flow all around. And that way if she does put her hair up, you see some lighter pieces other than just that top part. Also, I apologize if you guys heard some crunching in the back. It's my dog, so don't mind her at all, but let's go ahead and get back to the tutorial. So right above her ear, I always like to go in with a slice just to give more thickness around that face frame and more brightness in that area. And as you guys could see, I am backcombing it, and the reason for that is just because we want it to look natural as possible. We don't want to give it that highlight effect, but we want it to blend almost like a subtle balayage. And for bleach, I'm using Schwarzkopf Blonde Me with a 20 volume developer and a little bit of Olaplex. I chose to go in with a 20 just because with her dark hair, this is just something that I've noticed in the past. Majority of people where I live all have about level 2 to 4 hair, really dark and pigmented. And with Schwarzkopf Blonde Me, I've always noticed that sometimes if you use even just a 7 volume or even a 20 volume and you let them sit for more than 45 minutes to an hour, I just feel like you always get a better lift. I don't know what that is. I think maybe just because it's a strong bleach, and sometimes, as we know, the bleach is a lot more stronger than the developer. So I think that's the reason why. So that's why I'm going in with a 20, and I'm going to let her sit for almost about 50 minutes to maybe an hour, just depending on how well she lifts. And between time, I will go back in and check the foils just to make sure everything's lifting okay and her hair is still staying in good shape. Okay, so here's something I want to talk about. So as you guys could see, that previous color that she's got from pretty much like her mid shaft to ends, with that, I'm going to be going in with Matrix Color Sync of 4A, which is a 4 ash, just because I feel like that part is really brassy, and I'm just going to be covering it. I'm not going to do like a full color on her. I'm just going to take away pretty much that whole area that is brassy with that previous color, and I'm just going to go over it. I'm not going to take it all the way high, and I'm just going to let this process as long as she does as well. And just the reason for this is because if she wants to go lighter in the future, I don't want to have to break through that color. And what I like about Matrix Color Sync is it is a demi, so I just like to be careful of that as well. I want to try to keep her natural up there as close as possible, but yet get rid of this brassy color that she has on her mid shaft ends. Just because when we do the toner, we're going to do somewhat of a golden tone is what she's wanting, and I don't want you to have to see that color down there below, so we might as well just get rid of it while we can. So for toner, I'm going in with Redken Shades EQ 8 and 7V and 7G. All of this is equal parts, along with Redken Shades EQ Processing Solution, another equal parts as well. I will say that I added a little bit more 7G because she wanted a little bit more gold, just to see around her face frame to brighten her up. And this is the finishing look. I hoped that you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell button for more videos. If you have any more requests, please leave them down in the comments below, and I will talk to you next time.